In this question, two statements are given, and in the light of these two statements, you have to choose the correct answer. Statement 1: the presence or absence of the hymen is not a reliable indicator of virginity. Now, this is true because the hymen can be torn or stretched due to various non-sexual activities like sports, then cycling, the use of tampon, or even other physical activities. And some individuals may also naturally have an absent or very elastic hymen. Statement 2: the hymen is torn during full coitus only. Now, this is false because the hymen can be torn or stretched due to many non sexual activities, as already stated. So, it does not conclude that it can be torn only with the sexual intercourse. Thus, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Hence, the correct answer is option A.